Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Here are the news headlines. Bitcoin trades below $20,000. Ethereum trades above $1,300. Our goal is to have 1 million users on Shardeum, says WazirX's Nischal Shetty. Crypto exchange FTX US under investigation by Texas regulator for securities allegations. Flipkart starts 1-week pilot of its Metaverse shopping experience. Dubai police force becomes first to offer virtual services in the Metaverse. Cameron Winklevoss steps down as director of Gemini Europ. Temple DAO exploiter transfers $2.5 million in Ether to Tornado Cash. Ripple begins testing XRP ledger sidechain that's compatible with Ethereum smart contracts. France to explore crypto tax treatment next year. Japan approves tougher anti-money laundering regulations for crypto. And now the news in detail. The Bitcoin price rally today can be attributed to the fall of the dollar's strength. The US dollar fell by 0.3% and the crypto market responded with a rally. The US dollar index, which measures the US dollar against a basket of currencies, is currently at 112.85 points. Also, value buying was seen in BTC and ETH near support levels. However, Fed fear kept BTC below $20,000. Recently, cryptocurrencies faced a major sell-off as the Fed maintains its aggressive stance to curb inflation levels. The recent inflation data has highlighted how the central bank's interest rate hikes are not bringing inflation to target levels. Bitcoin was trading at $19,547, up by over 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum was trading at $1,333, up by over 2.26% in the similar time frame. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1.8% at 28,105 points. Nischal Shetty, co-founder and chief executive officer of cryptocurrency exchange WazirX, plans to launch Shardeum in the first quarter of next financial year. The Layer 1 network, which is a sharded blockchain being built from scratch, is being tested at present. Headquartered in Switzerland, Shardeum is also expected to soon close an estimated $20 million seed round funding from multiple investors within the Web3 and crypto industry at a valuation of about $200 million. In a recent interview in Dubai, Shardeum's co-founder Nischal Shetty declined to comment on his funding plans for Shardeum or talk about the WazirX Binance issue. However, he spoke about a host of other issues, including the future of WazirX, the roadmap for Shardeum to have 1 million users, and his outlook on Web3 and cryptocurrencies. According to a recent court filing, the Texas State Securities Board is investigating FTX US over allegations it offers unregistered securities products in the US through its yield-bearing service. The allegation was made by TSSB Director of Enforcement Joseph Rotunda in a filing to the bankruptcy court overseeing the potential sale of Voyager Digital's assets to the FTX crypto exchange FTX US parent. Because it is currently offering a yield-bearing product to US customers, FTX US may be in violation of state law governing the registration and sale of securities products, he claims. The filing was added to the court docket on October 14th, just before a hearing to finalize the potential sale of Voyager's assets to FTX. Flipkart has begun a 1-week pilot of its Flipkart Metaverse shopping experience in which users can create their avatar and move around in a 3D space to shop products. Flipkart, which was developed in collaboration with eDAO, will be available on Flipkart's app under the Fire Drops category. This pilot will include 15 brands ranging from sports apparel, wearable electronics, and fashion to home appliances and cosmetics. Puma, Noise, Nivea, Lavi, Tokyo Talkies, Campus, VIP, Ajmal Perfumes, Himalaya, Butterfly, India and others are among them. Flipkvart's first phase is an Android-only experience that will be available for a week. The Ajman Police Department in Dubai became the world's first law enforcement agency to provide services within the Metaverse. The Ajman Police General Command debuted a new innovative service called Request for Sponsorship during GITEX Technology Week, allowing the general public to contact the police remotely. Officers from the Ajman Police General Command were also present at the Dubai Metaverse Forum. The force's participation, according to Lieutenant Colonel Muhammad Abdullah Abu Shehab, was done to reap the benefits of Metaverse technology in law enforcement. Cameron Winklevoss, who co-founded the cryptocurrency exchange Gemini with his twin brother Tyler in 2014, has resigned as a director of Gemini's European division. Winklevoss's move was revealed on October 12 in a filing with Companies House, the United Kingdom's corporate registry. Gemini has received virtual asset service provider registration in Ireland, allowing it to provide crypto services there. Gillian Lynch, Gemini's head of Ireland and Europ, has been appointed to the board of Gemini Europ. The attacker responsible for last week's decentralized finance protocol, TempleDAO exploit, has transferred the entire illicitly obtained proceeds to privacy mixer Tornado Cash over multiple transactions in the last 24 hours. Addresses associated with the exploiter labeled TempleDAO exploiter on the blockchain scanning tool Etherscan show that the stolen funds were transferred to a wallet address over the weekend. Those funds were transferred to Tornado Cash in batches of 100 ethers each in the late Asian hours of Sunday. Data showed that the attacker was eventually able to move 1,921 ethers through 21 different transactions. That ether is now worth more than $2.5 million at current prices. Ripple is testing a method for developers to easily deploy smart contracts created for the larger and more popular Ethereum blockchain on its XRP Ledger blockchain. The Ethereum virtual machine is the software that powers Ethereum smart contracts. Ripple announced the launch of an EVM-compatible sidechain, a blockchain that runs in parallel with the main XRPL blockchain on the company's DevNet, where developers can test implementations before they go live on the main network. Ripple and XRPL could benefit because the work that developers have already put into developing Ethereum smart contracts could be leveraged in the entirely separate Ripple ecosystem. The announcement on October 17th is only the first of 3 steps. France will review its crypto tax rules next year as it seeks to become the world's leading blockchain hub and will not seek to simply replicate existing norms for stocks, Finance Minister Bruno Le Maire told local media in an interview published on 17th October. Le Maire said he was concerned about crypto's energy consumption and about the potential of blockchain technology to usurp the role of France's fiat currency, the euro. The European Union has just passed the landmark Markets in the Crypto Assets Act, which allows crypto companies to operate across the EU if they meet investor protection and stability standards. The Japanese government has approved a cabinet decision to amend existing laws to combat cryptocurrency money laundering. On October 14, Japan's cabinet, the country's executive body, decided to proceed with changes to the country's Foreign Exchange Act and the Act on Prevention of Transfer of Criminal Proceeds. The cabinet decision follows a September Nikkei report that said the government planned to revise the Act on Prevention of Transfer of Criminal Proceeds to target remittances in order to prevent criminals from using crypto exchanges to launder money. Since last year, Japan has been attempting to implement anti-money laundering standards recommended by the Financial Action Task Force, a global watchdog. That's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, do like, subscribe and share to 3.0 TV.